Hello guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. I hope you're hungry and ready to eat. So in today's video, we are going to be making some homemade bread. In our pan, we are starting off with 2 1/3 pounds of flour. I used a mixture of whole wheat and white all-purpose flour. To that, we added 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 heaping tablespoons of sugar. Then we're going to mix to thoroughly combine. To mine, I added ground flax seeds. However, this is totally optional. Now we are going to add some glow spread margarine. Of course, you can feel free to use your margarine or butter of choice. We're using roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're pinching it into our flour until thoroughly combined. So this next part is something that I discovered purely through trial and error, and it is adding a bit of cream cheese to your whole wheat bread. It makes it so soft and so moist, because I don't know if it's just me, but it doesn't matter how much love or care I put into my whole wheat bread, it's still slightly dry. To knead our dough, we are going in with warm water, not hot water, warm water, because as I would have said in a previous video, hot water in flour, yeah, it hurts. Okay, so you want to be extremely careful and make sure that your water is not too hot. So at this stage, you don't want to worry too much about the appearance of your dough, because we are going to allow it to rise for approximately 40 minutes. Then we're going to thump her back down and allow her to rise again for an additional 20 or so minutes. I am going to be making 2 different styles of bread. So we're making a round bread, and we're also going to be making some logs. Guys, this was just for my family's dinner and breakfast. We didn't make a lot of bread, so hence the reason for the small amount of dough. If you have a bigger family, then you can feel free to multiply the recipe. So I am no professional baker, but I'm just putting some slits into the top of my bread so that way when they rise and bake, it won't form like a mountain in the middle of my bread, or it won't burst in the center, crack in the center. That's just how I do it. I don't know if that's what the slit is even for, but that's what works for me. So growing up, I always saw my mom brush water or dab water over the tops of the bread. So that's precisely what we are doing. Apparently it helps with even browning of your bread. I don't know the scientific reason behind it, but that's just what I grew up seeing my parents or my mom do. So guys, this is what our bread are looking like. These are our logs and now our wrong bread. This basically brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see me do. So I'm not having my bread with anything over the top. I just did some stewed chicken, no frills, no fuss, just bread and stewed chicken. I was going to make a coleslaw, but I ended up changing my mind. But if you guys would like to see how I made this stewed chicken, then stay tuned for an upcoming video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bon appetit and keep on watching.